Yogurt is a satisfying, versatile ingredient that you can stir into many sweet or savory dishes or enjoy on its own. Fresh homemade yogurt is arguably more delicious than anything sold at the grocery store, and making yogurt at home means you can control the ingredients and tailor the flavor to your taste. You can customize the flavors or create different styles of yogurt, including plain yogurt, strained Greek yogurt, or Vietnamese yogurt with sweetened condensed milk. Homemade yogurt is also more affordable than store-bought. All you need is milk, starter, and 6 to 12 hours. While yogurt can come together with or without a yogurt maker, buying one can make the process easier and less intimidating for home cooks who are new to fermentation. Fermentation expert Katsu Lask says that when making yogurt, it's important to keep the inoculated milk warm and that the glasses are not moved during incubation. Otherwise, yogurt will not become firm, which is why a yogurt maker might come in handy as it holds the temperature steady. With that in mind, we have listed the top 5 yogurt maker and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpig.com. Number 5. The Country Trading Store Stainless Steel Yogurt Maker. This yogurt maker made by the Country Trading Store does not use any electricity or heating elements to make yogurt, which is why we made sure to include it on our list. We understand that some prefer a manual method for making yogurt rather than an electric method. To use the stainless steel yogurt maker, you will heat the milk to 194 degrees, then you will cook the milk to 113 degrees and add the starter. You will then place the glass jar of yogurt into the stainless steel container for approximately 8 hours. Once the 8-hour cooking time has been completed, you will open the stainless steel container and find your yogurt has fermented perfectly in the glass jar. Place the glass jar in the refrigerator and chill for at least 6 hours before enjoying it. The stainless steel yogurt maker includes a 42-page recipe book, so you never have to ask yourself what kind of yogurt you can make. The glass jar is dishwasher safe, which makes the cleanup quick and easy. Number 4. EuroCuisine YM650 Electric Yogurt Maker. Making yogurt is a breeze in this machine, which receives consistent high reviews for its ease of use and consistent results. Rather than fermenting the yogurt into one large container, this maker uses individual 6-ounce jars, allowing you to mix and match your flavors, if desired, and to move easily from yogurt maker to fridge without scooping your yogurt into a new container. To use the machine, simply whisk your starter culture into your milk and pour it into the jars, then set for the desired number of hours. You can make all 7 jars at once, but you can also make just a few jars if you go through yogurt slowly. An automatic shut-off feature means it will stop incubating your yogurt after 15 hours. We also love that the jars have rotatory date settings, allowing you to easily label them and check your yogurt's freshness at a glance. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. If you're not a fan of single-function machines, the Instant Pot Duo multi-use pressure cooker might be your appliance of choice. The price tag is a little higher than others on this list, but it combines 7 different appliances: yogurt maker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and warmer in one. If that seems intimidating, don't worry. The IP Duo 60, as it's called by loyal fans, makes things easy with a yogurt button that's pre-programmed to make perfect homemade yogurt. All you have to do is prepare your yogurt starter, add the starter and milk to your Instant Pot, and then choose the yogurt setting and let the pot do its work, a process that takes 8 to 12 hours depending on how you like your yogurt. We found the yogurt function to be really useful, since the process for making it is always the same. The default times and temperatures don't need to be changed. It's truly a one-touch operation. Keep in mind that while you can successfully make yogurt with any Instant Pot pressure cooker, not all of them have the yogurt function. If that's one of your main goals for this machine and you don't want to have to figure it out yourself, make sure you're getting the Duo 60, which comes in 3-quart, 6-quart, and 8-quart sizes. Number 2. Bear Electric Appliance Greek Yogurt Maker. The Greek Yogurt Maker from Bear Manufacturer is a top-rated product that deserves to be in your top list. By using this device, it will provide you with excellent performance and trendy design. It's operated thanks to digital and electric noises, therefore you're assured about your yogurt quality. Notably, the LED indicator together with timer settings allows you to adjust the precise degree according to your need. Moreover, the device also has ample capacity for your convenient usage. Besides, an attractive and chic design is also a highlight reason to choose this utensil. It's covered with BPA-free plastic outside and food-grade stainless steel bust inside, and so your Greek yogurt won't contaminate with harmful substances and keep the original flavor. Number 1. EuroCuisine YM650 Electric Yogurt Maker. Saving money doesn't mean you have to sacrifice performance, and the EuroCuisine YM650 Electric Yogurt Maker proves that. Like the more expensive EuroCuisine model, this electric yogurt machine comes with 7 6-ounce glass containers that you can arrange in a 9.5 by 9.5 by 6-inch space to make 42 ounces of yogurt in one cycle. On the front of the machine sits an on-off switch that controls an indicator light that lets you know when the yogurt maker is running. Even though there's no digital display, the time markings on the side will show you where your yogurt is in the fermentation cycle, which typically takes 6 to 10 hours with this machine. We love the simple design and how easy it is to make yogurt with this machine. We also really like the individually proportioned glass grab-and-go containers, which allow you to make up to 7 different types of yogurts at once if that's something you want to do, though you don't need to use all 7 every time you use the maker. You can use as many or little as you want, but if 7 isn't enough, EuroCuisine also sells additional glass jars and expansion rack that doubles the capacity to 14 jars and 84 ounces of yogurt. One downside to the YM650 is that there's no auto shut-off feature, so you'll have to make sure you're nearby when your yogurt finishes to turn it off manually. Conclusion: a yogurt maker is an inexpensive product that will allow you to make perfect homemade yogurt every time. You never have to question what hidden ingredients are in the yogurt you're eating when you make it homemade. You know exactly what has gone into the yogurt and the exact method used to make the yogurt. The best yogurt maker you choose should meet all of your requirements. You shouldn't sacrifice any feature that's important to you. Once you've found the yogurt maker that's best for you, you can get started making perfectly homemade yogurt. So, that wraps up our list for the best yogurt maker. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestion for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Legit Pig family. We've got lots of more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.